Welcome to the vlog, everyone. How you all doing? Darren, say hi.
Hi, guys.
Guys, I'm not going to tell you, but I got a surprise for you.
Darren?
Yeah. You know it.
There's
Okay, guys.
Surprise, but we gotta get going.
We got to get going. We're in an assembly. Any last words?
Bye.
Happy
Remembrance Day.
Remembrance Day. Quickly, I just want to say thank you to all the people who have served. Okay, guys. So, I'll show you your surprise in... How long, Darren?
Maybe like around 12:30.
Yeah, about that. Hey, Darren.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Right now, we're going to pick up Connor's luggage.
Guys, I'm moving out of the country.
Let's get to the buses.
Guys, I have a friend and a suitcase and a backpack
And an
and a jacket and a cane in his backpack. I wonder.
What does this mean?
We're just waiting for something.
Yeah.
Darren, what are we waiting for?
I can't tell you that yet.
Exactly. Well, guys,
The next look.
bye. Guys, I don't know where I am. Hello? Anyone here? Oh, what the? Guys, I woke up and Darren's here. Darren, where are we?
This is 72 hours in Darren's house.
No. 32 hours at Darren's house. What a fucking nightmare. Oh no. Guys, Darren locked himself in a room.
Hey Google, that's not funny. I already about to have a girlfriend, so stop.
Let me in, boy. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. I'll just shut your door, Darren.
Hi, Connor.
We're playing this way? So guys, this is my room. Nice blanket. Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you scared of cat?
Oh, you motherfucker.
What?
You messed up my bed.
Good. Guys, like I said, that was just pre-party.
Oh boy, now it's pre-party. I don't want to imagine what party's gonna be.
You excited for a real party?
Yeah.
And where are we?
We are at the Brantford Airport.
Guys, there's a plane way down there. You probably cannot see it. He's gonna take off though. The guy we met is so nice.
I can't tell, but I can see it plane. It looks like it's gonna take off. I can't see it plane. It's gonna Oh, that's so cool! That was different! Oh, he's getting close to the ground. That's around 400 feet. Oh, did
What are we doing?
Right now we're watching a space live stream.
So next up, Dragon does have the ability to perform a mid-course maneuver about halfway
What's
through
that?
the journey
Wait, I'm asking you, you don't know
waypoint
shit.
one, and eventually waypoint,
Yeah.
waypoint 0 and eventually waypoint 1.
Alright, see you guys again. This is how not to drive.
Like that. Hey, you want to see more? You want to see more? Let's see more, okay?
Give me the controller. Take the phone, record me doing it. Controller. 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 No, give me the controller.
Where does it?
Give me the controller, Darren. Where are we? Did you put us in the water?
Yeah.
I hate you.
I hate you too.
Darren. Do me a favor.
Mm-hmm.
Tell a vlog why you're not, why we stopped being friends 2 years ago.
Because Connor was mean to me.
No, it's because he likes to run cars into buildings in a game. Just kidding. That's dark. Alright, guys, so it is, Darren, time check.
The time is 11:14.
So, guys, we're getting ready to go to bed soon.
Yeah, this has been a long day.
And so I'm going to end off the vlog. I'll start off a new vlog bright and early tomorrow morning.
Or I may start it when I wake him up, guys.
Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We went to the airport. I surprised you with kind of Darren's house.
We did a dance party.
Guys, I'm not going to say, but might be going somewhere tomorrow.
Maybe.
Always depends if I actually decide to. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.